Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, everyone. My name is Muhammad Azral Farisi Beguni. Welcome to my class. I will talk chapter 2, Opinions and Thought by Muhammad Azral Farisi Beguni. So, what is opinion? What is the function of opinion? What is structure of opinion? What is example of opinions? And another part of opinions. So without any talking too much, so let's start the definition first. I got references from books in your high class, grade 11. Okay, so let's start it. Definition of opinion. An opinion is the way you feel or think about something. Our opinion about something or someone is based on our perspective. Whenever we give or express our opinion, it is important to give reasoning or an example to support our opinion. That's the definition of open opinion. Next, opinion, of course, have a function. The function of the editorial generally explains the news and its impact on the public, make the background of the news link with social reality and the factors that influence it more broadly. Sometimes there is an analysis of conditions at work to prepare the community for what might happen, containing a moral judgment about the news. That's the function of opinion. And opinion have a structure. There are three structures. The first one is statement of opinion, or you can say thesis. It's one part containing the author's point of view on the issue being discussed. Usually also a theory that will be supported by arguments. Argumentation is and the second one is argumentation is one of the reason or evidence used to strengthen the statement in the thesis. Also in the general, argumentation is defined as rejecting an opinion. This argument can be in the form of general question or research data, statements of experts, or fact based on reliable references. And the last one is the statement or reaffirmation of opinion, or you can say reiteration, which is one part containing the reaffirmation of opinions driven by fact in the argumentation section to strengthen or confirm. It is at the end of the text. So it means like the first one is statement of opinion, or you can say thesis. It's the opening of opinion. In debate, you have to know this. You have to learn this more in debate. But I'm not talking about debate. And the second is argumentation. Argumentation is you must keep your argumentation, your thesis in argumentation. You must have evidence or something else. And the last one is the statement or reaffirmation of opinion or reiteration. It means like your closing opinion. Your closing opinion. Seems like thesis, but this is the closing opinion, like that. So we got opinion characteristic. Opinion has several characteristics, including the following. The first one is the content of an opinion is a result of someone's understanding or assessment of an event or event that occur. And the second, opinions are also not necessarily true. So proof is needed to find out the truth, therefore requires proper evidence. So you must know the proof is needed to find out the truth. Opinion, just opinion. You must find out the truth. The truth is usually a statement of opinion is only in the form of a suggestion or suggestion on an event or occurrence. The last one is in expressing an opinion, it is generally always present by the sentence maybe. For example, could be, in my opinion, in my team, and so on. And we got types of opinion. In communication science, opinions are known to have various types, including the first one is individual opinion. Individual opinion is a person's opinion about something that is happening in society. Society. It, and the second is personal opinion. Personal opinion is a person original opinion on a social issue. It means like you have pure your opinion from yourself, from myself, for, from ourselves. You have pure opinion. That is personal opinion. Group opinion. Teachers are able to find additional and update learning results that can help them with their work. So the example is when we are to study together, we share the opinion. It is group opinion. That is group opinion. Okay, next. Opinion sentence example. The following are some of the characteristics that can be seen from the opinion sentence, including the first, living in the countryside will be much better than living in the city. Second, being rich is not easy. Third, maybe the day after tomorrow there will be a storm. Fourth, in my opinion, the Jakarta flood problem is very difficult to overcome. Fifth, banana tastes much better than durians. Sixth, the air in the city of Bandung is very cold compared to the city of Jakarta. Seventh, this coffee is better when drunk at night. Eighth, maybe the corrupt will be more deterrent if the government implements the death penalty. So that's the example, right? Okay, next. We got another example. Example how to agree and disagree with an opinion. The first one statement. Smoking should be banned in public place. Agree. I totally agree that smoking should be banned in public place. And how about disagree? I'm sorry, but I tend to disagree with you on this. That is disagree. Second, bullying is so prevalent in most schools. Agree. I could not agree more with you. Disagree. I think it would be wrong to generalize. The third, women should not work. Agree. I think so too. Women should stay at home and take care of their children. Disagree. I'm afraid I have to disagree with you on this one. 4. Harry Potter series is much better than Twilight series. Agree? Yes, I agree. This is my opinion. Yes, I agree because I like Harry Potter, so I follow Harry Potter series, and Harry Potter is more much better than Twilight. It's very true. And disagree is not justified to say because both have different plots. Okay. And last one, online gaming should be banned. Agree. Absolutely right. It should be as it distracts students from studying. Disagree. This is my opinion too. I don't disagree with you because online gaming have a lot profit if you know if you want to learn about the online gaming, so like that. Okay, that's my presentation. So do you have any question? If you don't have, thank you very much. And we got homework today. Look for other example of opinions and their response whether they agree or disagree. Gather on Google Classroom tonight. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night.